Hi friends, welcome back to TM Learning Center YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain you some of the important questions regarding the last previous question papers like 2013, 2014, 2015 CTET. These are most important problems, and these gives you more confidence when you are attending upcoming Karnataka Teachers Eligibility Test 2020. That is whatever in Karnataka state now we have to write it. Okay, and also this video may helpful to GPSTR 2020 also. In the next recruitment you get more knowledge about the preparation. Okay, so now I will continue this video by doing some of the most important problems I elected by the previous question papers. Okay, so here it is. The first question is, if p is equal to 3 to the power of 2000 plus 3 to the power of minus 2000 and q is equal to 3 to the power of 2000 minus 3 to the power of minus 2000, right? So this is what the given, and p, the value of p and the value of q, then the value of p square minus q square is, they are asking. So be remember, this is paper 2 and it may helpful to paper 1 also, so don't make confusion anything. And this is how can you do this? You just imagine p square minus q square. You know that the value p square minus q square is equal to what? P plus q into p minus q. This is one of the law. You know that, I think. So put the value of p here. Value of p is 3 to the power of 2000 plus 3 to the power of minus 2000 plus q value means 3 to the power of 2000 minus 3 to the power of minus 2000. This is what p plus q, and p minus q means again the same process. P minus q, p means 3 to the power of 2000 plus 3 to the power of minus 2000 minus q value means this one, that is what 3 to the power of, that is minus 2000, 3 to the power of, and minus into minus plus 3 to the power of minus 2000. Okay, got it? So you know that 3 to the power of 2000, 3 to plus 3 to the power of 2000, there are a different sign, plus, and this one is cancelled. And here another one, 3 to the power of minus 2000 is plus sign, and minus 3 to the power of minus 2000, this is, these two are gets cancelled. Okay, what are the remainings? 2 times of 3 to the power of 2000, right? This one in the first term multiplied by 2 times of 3 to the power of minus 2000. Okay, so then you can write it as, so 2 2s are 4, and you know that 3 to the power of minus plus 2000 minus 2000, you can add this. This is what a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. You know this formula. By using that formula I write this one. So these two gets cancelled, and that means 0. 3 to the power of 0 means the value is 1, that is 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. That is in your option 4, right? How can you find this one? So it is very easy, and the most important thing is only one thing, that is you have to be perfect with your accurate speed, because the speed may kill you. That means it may cause the reduction of marks, and you may not attended some of the other sections. That means the not only mathematics in your examination, Kannada, English with psychology also there, and also science subject is also there. Okay, so if so you have to concentrate more on the methods and fast accurateness. Okay, so go to the next one. Here is the problem. The square of 9 is divided by the cube root of 125. The remainder is the square of 9, that means 9 square, easy, and is divided by the cube root of, okay, divided by cube root of 125, that means 9 9s are 81. Cube root of 125 means what? So you know that, tell me. Yes, 5 to the power of 3 we can write, that means cube root and the cube cancelled, so 81 by 5, so that is the answer. Means but they are asking the remainder is, okay, now you have to divide this 5 with 81. So 5 ones are 5, remaining 3, 1, 5 6 are 30, right? Remainder is 1. So this is what remainder we need that. So they are asking the remainder is what? Option A or option 1, that is 1. Okay, got it? Go to the next one. The value of root of 16, root of 8, root of 4. We have to remove these roots. If we are find the value, if we need to find the value of this, we need to solve the innermost one, first one. Okay, just like a BODMAS rule. So here no, there is no BODMAS rule applied, but the root is 4. That means just I show you by writing this. You have to write as it is 16 and as it is 8. And now what is the root 4 value? That is 2 square, means 2 to cancel, that is 2. The value of root 4 is 2, right? Next, 8 2s are 16, right? 16 as it is, and this is another 16. So root 16 means what? 8 square. Square and root gets cancelled, 8. The value of 16, root 16 is 8, right? So that is 16 multiplied by 8. So when you are cancelling these, you need not to write a root again. Some of the students, those who are preparing for examinations, they are made so many mistakes. That means they are simplifying this root 16, you get a 8, but again also you put the root here. So that is what the main mistake. So many students are doing like that. So you don't make that mistake. And you have to multiply this 16 and 8. Friends, really sorry, this is not 8 square, this is 4 square, because I just think whatever my concentration went away. So that is root 4. 4 is the 16, right? Yes. 2 gets cancelled. The value of 4 is the 4 into 16. Yes, continue that. And 4 into 16, you get the value is what? You multiplied that as 64, right? That is what? 8 square. So square root gets cancelled. The value is 8, right? So very easy. That value is in your option 2. Got it? Go to the next one. The 1 of 1.2 into 10 to the power of 30 is 1 of. That means you have to multiply by this one by of, right? 1 by 2 multiplied by 1.2 into 10 to the power of 30, right? So 2 ones are 2 6 are, that means 0.6. Here 1.2 is there, not 12. So that is 0.6 multiplied by 10 to the power of 30. So find the answer here. 0.6, no. So here it is 0.6, but 5 to the power of 30. We need 10 to the power of 30, right? So just one small correction is there. What is that? So here you can take 110 outside. Among 30, you can take 110 outside and multiply it with the 6. That is 60, right? Or 6.0, not 60, 6.0. The point is shifted to one place. Multiplied by 10 to the power of 29, right? 23 minus 1, 29. So 6.0 into 10 to the power of 29. Where it is? You just guess it, and that is in your option 2, right? So how you can make the answers easily. The next question is, if 2 by 3, 23 by 30 and 9 by 10, 11 by 15 and 4 by 5 are written in ascending order, then the fraction in the middlemost will be. Now which are the fraction and what are the fraction in the middlemost? That means you have to count that 1 2 3 4 5 fractions are given. So here 2 and here 2 and middle was 1. You can get 1 is a middle. So which is that one? So you can guess. So by doing the the denominators equals, you have to make the denominators are equal. So the here 5, 15, 10 and 33. So the LCM of these denominators is 30, right? Just you can glance it and you can tell that. So because 30 you get by the 5 multiplied by some one number, and 15 multiplied by 2, and 10 multiplied by 3, and 3 multiplied by 10. So you can get a 30, right? So write it as 30. When you write this number as it is, 2 by 3 comma 23 by 30, 9 by 10, 11 by 15, and 4 by 5 as it is. Okay, now take the denominator as same, 30. 3 become 30 when you multiply it by 10. 10 2s are 20, right? So 30 as it is, there is no changes here. And 10 3s are 30, 3 9s are 27. So 15 2s are 30, 11 2s are 22, 5 5 6 are 30, 6 4 are 24, right? So now you have to write it as ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger, right? So which is smaller here? Consider the numerator. 20 is the smaller, right? So 20 by 3 30 as it is. That means this one is first. And the second one is 22 by 30, and this is the second one. And third one is 22 after 22 23 by 30. So this is third one. And fourth one is 24 by 30, right? This one. So 24 by 30 means this one, fourth one. And last one is what? 27 by 30. You know that remove these one and you will get this one. That is what? The middle most value. The same value here. Got it? So go to the next one. It is a very simple question here. 3 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of 5 plus 4 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 7 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 5. This is equal to the value yaudu. So you can find that very easily. That means split it into simple way. 3 into 10 to the power of 5 means 1 2 3 4 5, right? And then write a plus. 4 into 10 to the power of 3 means 10 3 zeros, plus 7 into 10 to the power of 2 means 100, plus 5 as it is. Okay, now write the next step is 3 into what? 1 lakh, that is 3 lakh, plus 4 into 1000 4000, plus 7 into 100 700, plus 5. You can add this 4705, right? Here it is 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 0, that is 304705. Option A or option 1 is the right answer, right? So very easy. So the time management is only important thing is here. Okay, next one, the sum of mean and median of the numbers 5.02, 5.18, 5.12, 5.007 and 5.018 is, we have to find the mean and median, and then we have to add it because they need sum of those, right? So first you have to find the mean value. How can you find the mean value? Mean value means mean is equal to sum of all the numbers divided by number of the given numbers, right? Just the way. So how many numbers are there? Sum of means 5.02 plus 5.18 plus 5.12 plus 5.007 plus 5.018, that divided by how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 numbers divided by 5. That is what is the sum of those values? You can find it. That is 25.345 by 5. So when you divided this one, you will get easily that 5.069. So this is what the mean. Now after finding the mean, you need to find that what? A median. So what is the median formula? So you know that the median formula, that means they are given 5 numbers 1 2 3 4 5. So even numbers, that means n plus 1 by 2, that is the mid term. So first you have to write ascending order, and n means 5 plus 1 by 2, that is what? 6 by 2 means third. That is third term is the median. So write it as in ascending order. Here it is the first value is 5.007, and another number is 5 point what 018 and 5.02, 5.12 and 5.18. These are the what ascending order numbers. So the third term is what 5.02. This is what your median. So we need to find the sum of the mean and median, right? Sum of mean and median is equal to 5.069 plus 5.02. So when you adding these two, you will get what 10.089. So this is required answer. It is in your option 3, right? Very simple and easy. Go to the next one. Express as a percentage. Express as a percentage 0.33 divided by 0.11 is. So how can you express this 0.33 divided by 0.11 multiplied by 100? You know that any fractions convert into, if we are convert into fraction into percentage, that means you need to multiply it by 100, right? So when you convert other numbers, you need to divide it by 100, right? But fraction must be divided by and multiplied by 100, right? So you can shift the point here, 2 digits by 33 and 11 into 100. So 11 ones are 11 threes are 310, 3 into 100, 300 percentage. Got it? That is in your option 2. And go to the next one, and it is very easy. So find the HCF and LCM of 4, 20 and 28. So we need to find HCF and LCM, then sum, right? 4, 20 and 28. So I think okay, I will solve this, not giving you any homework. Now you have to find first HCF and then LCM, then you have to add those two and you will get the answer among these. Okay, so first of all I need to find HCF. My method is like this. So if you are using another method, I don't mind. So find you, the aim is only find HCF, right? So HCF 4 5s are 20, right? 4 7s are 28. So these two are 0, then the 4 is the HCF. HCF is equal to 4. Very easy. And then go to the next one, that is LCM, means 4, 20, 28. So that is 2. 2 2s are, 2 10s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. Again 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 2 7s are, right? So multiply all these. 2 multiplied by 2, 1 into 5 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5 and 7 5s are 35. So that is what 4 into 35. When you multiply these two, 4 5s are 22. That is what 140, right? So this is LCM. So add these 140 plus 4, you will get 144. So 144 is in your option 2. Very easy and simple. So if you like this video, please press the like button and comment whatever your opinions to improve the next class. Okay, keep watching our channel. Thank you for this one.